Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I convert a man's t-shirt to this lovely jacket. If you want to see how I did this, please keep on watching. I also did this in a different color too. Please give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you haven't. Let's begin. So this is what the t-shirt was looking like before. I'm going to take the t-shirt and then open up both sides, both left and right. I'm going to take my scissors and then open up both sides, as you can see me doing. And then next I'll be opening one side of the sleeve and then one side of the shoulder. It should look like this. Here I'm just taking one side of the sleeve that was cut and then placing it on the one that wasn't cut. I will do this for the both sides. It should look like this. Here I'm just taking my pins and then I pin this all round. I pinned it both sides, left and right. After pinning this, I'll take it to my sewing machine and then sew it both left and right. This is what it looks like after sewing it. This is how the back looks like. I also did another one using a colored t-shirt. Same method, same step. I'm going to take my scissors and open both sides, left and right, and then one side of the sleeve and the shoulder, just like I did previously. After that, take one of the sleeve that was cut and then place it on the one that wasn't cut. Do it for both sides, just like I did earlier. And then go ahead to sew this for both sides. After sewing, it should look like this. And this is the outcome of the colored t-shirt. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.